Let's go to adventure. We're taking our groceries and going camping. Yes. We're gonna camp tonight and tomorrow night for 2 nights. Actually, this is my first time camping. I think 17 years I haven't camped. So big campground, really nice. I'm surprised. Wind is picking up, so now it's wave time. Wave time. Oh yeah. Yes, we are ready. Let's go. حميد is looking for more. يلا حميد. Let's go. دباح. صالح دباح هذا يعني واحد اولاده تعرف عربي هذا. دباح. دباح هذا دباح. He's the best supermarket in the area. We're just very close to the lake. We arrived here a little bit late, so we're taking our groceries and going camping. Yes. We're gonna camp tonight and tomorrow night for 2 nights, but I will set up the camp and everything, but we'll show you in the morning how it's gonna be. So let's go. Campsite right here. We're gonna set up tents just like these people. We have 2 tables under the tree, and here is the beach, and that is Tiberias town and Tiberias Lake. Yeah. And this is where we're gonna spend 2 nights camping. Actually, this is my first time camping. I think 17 years I haven't camped, so it'll be interesting. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully easy and smooth. So let's eat. Our food, our meat, our cooler with the drinks, ice, everything. We even have milk and stuff. So yeah, water, our barbecue, and this is where we're going. Campsite. I'm gonna put the tents up. Have fun, relax, and enjoy. Barbecue at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock at night, midnight. I'm hungry.
Yeah, the long drive. Long drive
That's
after us. Time
Yeah.
to go crazy.
It's
No?
worth it, right?
Yeah, of course.
Of course it's worth it.
I mean, that's what we came for.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
what's
the-
the smoke?
The fat starting to drop.
Time for some ribeye steaks. Yes, yes. Some ribeye steaks, fresh from the grill tonight. We need some food before we sleep, so we're eating good. Salt Bay in the house. Happy birthday, Hamid. It's
Thank
your
you, thank you.
21st birthday, so we're celebrating tonight. Oh, yeah, that's it. Morning. Wow, good morning. Here from the lake. Feels amazing. It's 8:30 in the morning. Woke up earlier, but had to sleep a little bit more. You can see we're right on the beach, so it's different. Kids are already swimming, really nice. Wow. Wow. Water is very warm, refreshing, really nice. Yeah. Just an amazing lake. Let's see how the day goes. The guys are still asleep, so I'm just gonna drink my coffee and relax. big campground. Really, really nice. I'm surprised. Everybody's already awake. It's good. Wow, feels so fresh. Brush your teeth right in the lake. So it's actually called the Sea of Galilee in English, but it's a lake. It's a very big lake, as big as the sea. You can see behind me. That's the other side, way, way over there. I have to zoom in so you can see it right there. But if you want to go 360 around the lake, just driving might take you 2 hours. So it's far away, it's big. But yeah, I already jumped in, and the water is warm. I'm telling you, the water is warm. 90 degrees at least. Amazing. I already jumped in, swim, just enjoy the water, have fun, relax, and spend the day. Half of the guys are still asleep, and I'll introduce you once they wake up. All right, have fun. Birthday!
Thank you.
Wow, nice, nice, very nice.
I'm sure.
Huh? No. We actually found a small shop. Yeah, so ice cream, ice, everything, whatever you want. They even have toothbrushes for the morning. Everything is easy here. Everything is available. That is the beauty. Very easy. You can camp very close to the water. You can buy food, eat, relax. You don't have to go anywhere. It's ready for camping. And that's how nice it is. People know how to live here. People just want to enjoy and know how to live. So that is the beauty. That is the fun. Yeah. And this is Hamid, my brother. It's his birthday, 21st birthday actually. So happy birthday, bro.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Having a great time here.
Yeah, we're enjoying just for him. So it's very nice. Here we go. Now the wind is picking up. The water is getting stronger and stronger. Now it's time for fun and jumping and relaxing on the beach. In the water, I mean. Let's do it.
No.
Let's do it. Here, hold. 1, 2.
تعال طلعني.
Amazing water. Amazing water. Warm and nice. Calm. Up and down slowly and nice. So yeah. I don't know what to tell you guys. I really don't have a lot of words or sentences. But all I can say is this is the relaxation I've been always looking for. This is the motivation that I was looking for. This is the spiritual connection with nature. I love swimming, I love nature, I love trees, and definitely love mountains right behind me. So, yeah, it just couldn't have been better than this. Woo! Woo! This is my cousin, he's here to enjoy. Remember, this water is not salty, so this is a lake. It's natural water, so it's heavier to swim and heavier to float in. So yeah, it's not as regular as the sea, but you know, I can touch the bottom. Wind is picking up, so now it's wave time. Waves time. Oh yeah. Lunch today, we have ribeye steak, sweet potato, hummus, eggplant, all the good stuff, right? Sun have set, and finally the day is almost over and we are so relaxed and so much fun. Okay? Had an amazing time today. Day one here at the Sea of Galilee camping. We will see you tomorrow. But still, we're gonna eat and of course stay up late. So we're gonna party. Yeah. Bye. Nice group here. They set up a really big camp. Yeah. Really nice. We're benefiting, so got some air. Really nice air. So it's all light, I mean, really nice light. That's our camp right here. Look at these camp people. They have a cinema, a projector outside their trailer. Wow. Wow. Really nice. But good night. Time to sleep. Sun. Love the sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, people. Second day camp. And let's just start the day. So calm. The water is so warm, calm, amazing. Best water I have swam in my life. Nature. People are awake. People already awake, swimming, enjoying. It's only 7:30 in the morning. Breakfast. Today we got some backup. Some proper coffee. Montage. 1, 2. Early lunch.
صور صورة صور كمان واحدة عايز اطلع صورت.
We are hungry beasts, ready to eat. Chicken wings, lamb, kebab. Very nice. Amazing break from swimming, and chef here, our friend, made us a tropical dessert. Yep. Look at this. Wow. You guys are all the way. Focus. Right there. Gonna try to catch up. Go there, see them. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a star. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, yeah.
And our trip comes to an end. That's it for the 2 days, 3 days. We are done. Time to go home, relax, see the family, see my daughters, Rose, Mira, and Yasmin. I miss them already. It's been 3 days, and yeah, we are just putting things together, getting ready to go. That's it, almost done. Happy. It was good. Lake Tiberias, Sea of Galilee. Thank you all for watching and doing this adventure with me. We will see you in the next time, in the next adventure. Goodbye. Peace.